name is Ounmany, and I am in the financial arena. And I just wanted to speak a little bit about my experience with Marcy Locke. This isn't my first retreat with her, this is my second. Marcy is so amazing. I know we see this person that is just so fun and has so much knowledge, but when you're actually with her, she is so divine, and her genius is just amazing. Just being in her space creates so much expansion for you. You know, for me, I have always been a very divinely connected person, and I've always had this story of like, I don't need sacred plant medicine because I can get there without it. And what I've learned through both of my retreats is that it's not that I necessarily needed it, but it helped me expand and into realms and realities, and being able to let go of a lot of things that no longer served me. And I mean, I understand that everything I did brought me to here, but I think what I really wanted to share is that because of her genius and her ability and her knowledge and her wisdom, the medicine that she gives us and serves us takes us to a different level of being able to unblock and move things. You know, one of the things for me, I didn't realize how I was afraid of just pleasure in life, like all of life's pleasures. And life is supposed to be pleasurable, and the blockages and things, and how that showed up in my business life, my personal life, and just my everyday interactions with people. So I really, if you are looking to expand and are curious about more of this sacred medicine and Marcy and her retreats, I really would lean in and get curious and reach out to Marcy and Cami and just learn more and get more curious, because Marcy's just amazing and her wisdom is just, there's no words for it. So yeah.